4. Statistics.
Statistic.
First, let's clarify the difference between number and amount.
First, let's clarify the difference between number and amount.
We use number with countable nouns.
We use number with countable nouns.
And amount with uncountable nouns.
And amount with uncountable nouns.
A large number of people.
A large number of people.
A massive amount of damage.
A massive
A significant
damage.
number of countries.
A significant number of countries.
A considerable amount of money.
A considerable amount of money.
A tiny number of computers.
A tiny number of computers.
A minuscule amount of alcohol.
A minuscule amount of alcohol.
Numbers and statistics can increase or decrease. More formal.
Numbers and statistics can increase or decrease. More formal.
Rise or fall.
Rise or fall.
Also formal.
Also formal.
Or go up and go down.
Or go up and go down.
More informally.
More informally.
When a number goes up or down very fast,
When a number goes up and down very fast,
we can describe this as sharp or dramatic.
we can describe this as sharp or dramatic.
For example, the sudden improvement in the economy has resulted in a dramatic drop in unemployment.
The sudden improvement in the economy has resulted in a dramatic drop in unemployment.
And a sharp rise in consumer spending.
And a sharp rise in consumer spending.
When a number goes up or down slowly,
when a number goes up or down slowly,
then we can talk about a gradual increase in population.
Then we can talk about a gradual increase in population.
Or a slow decline in the number of violent crimes.
Or a slow decline in the number of violent crimes.
And if a number doesn't change,
and if a number doesn't change,
then it remains steady or remains constant.
Then it remains steady or remains constant.
We use the word widespread to describe something that is happening frequently in many places.
To describe something that is happening frequently in many places.
For example, there being widespread dissatisfaction with
For example, there being widespread dissatisfactions
the government.
With the government.
Or a new book winning widespread acclaim in the literary world.
Or a new book winning widespread acclaim in the literary world.
A hurricane can cause widespread damage.
A hurricane can cause widespread damage.
And a presidential candidate can have widespread support among voters of a certain demographic.
Among voters of a certain demographic.
In conversational English, we often use the structure keep plus the ing
We often use the structure keep plus ing
form of the verb to
describe something that happens frequently. For example,
describe something that happens frequently. For example,
frequently.
I'm trying to work, but my colleagues keep interrupting me. Why do you keep asking me about the problem? I've told you 1,000 times I don't know how to solve it.
I have told you 1,000 times I don't know how to solve it.
Now listen and repeat the collocations about statistics. A large number.
A large number.
A massive amount.
A massive amount.
A significant number.
A significant number.
A considerable amount.
A considerable amount.
A tiny number.
A tiny number.
A minuscule amount.
A minuscule amount.
A dramatic drop.
A dramatic drop.
A sharp rise.
A sharp rise.
A gradual increase.
A gradual increase.
A slow decline.
A slow decline.
Remains steady.
Remains steady.
Remains constant.
Remain constant. Remains constant.
Widespread dissatisfaction.
Widespread dissatisfaction.
Widespread acclaim.
Widespread acclaim.
Widespread damage.
Widespread damage.
Widespread support.
Widespread support.
Keep interrupting.
Keep interrupting.
Keep asking.
Keep asking.
Okay, now try the practice quiz to put your knowledge of the statistics collocations to the test.
Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.